Good afternoon, guys. We are running the first mini for the Winner's Choice helmets. Um, Top six. First and second get two. Third through six get one spot each. 8 total spots. We got our list right here. We're live. Sean on the top. David on the bottom. Need at least a 5. 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sean on the top. Sean on the bottom. Last roll. Good luck. And we got top 6. Jaren at the top. David. 2 spots for each of you. Then David, Mark, David, and Burke.